How to create folders in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. After that, click on Settings. Click on See All Settings. In here, click on Create Label, which is on the left side. Click on plus button, which is Create New Label. Enter a new label name. After entering your new label name, simply click on Create. It will create a label. After that, simply go to your Mail section and select the files you want to add to your label. Then right-click on it after selecting, and you'll find these options. Click on Move To and select your label you created before. As you can see in Google Label, you'll find two mails. To filter this mail and only add to this label, you can simply copy the mail that person sends you. Go to Settings, click on See All Settings. In here, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. You'll find Create a New Filter. And from, paste the mail you copied earlier. After that, click on Create Filter. Apply the label. Choose the label you created earlier. Then click on Create Filter. And you're good to go. That's how to create folders in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. For a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.